Hello there, this is Deepti from handmadebydeepti.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be making one layered flower card using Maker Forte's Hello Spring layering stem set, which is designed by Alexa Abreu. And the fun part, there's a giveaway too in this video, and I'm going to give this layering stem set to one lucky winner. And this giveaway is open worldwide, so keep watching this video and I'll let you know at the end of the video what you need to do to win this brand new Hello Spring stem set from Maker Forte. So let's get started. To make this one layered card, I took Maker Forte's heavyweight ultra white A2 size card base. I positioned it to my stamping tool, and for my layering stamping technique, I really like Alt New ink sets. Here I'm using shades of purple Alt New ink set for flowers and Seashore ink set for leaves. I'm going to use only these two sets for this card. Here I'm stamping first layer of the flower using lighter shade of purple called Soft Lilac from the Alt New ink set. It's very light purple color, so I stamped it 2-3 times to get the color I wanted. I repeated this process for all the flowers. Now I'm stamping the first layer of the leaves using lighter shade of Seashore ink set, which is called Mountain Mist. If you notice that in the stem set, all the layers are clearly marked as A1, A2, A3 for flowers and B1, B2 and B3 for leaves, so you don't have to guess which is the next layer. I'm done stamping the leaves and I felt like I can cover the below empty area also with flowers, so I partially stamped the flowers to cover that area. Now time to add the second layer for the flowers. For that I have used Lavender Fields ink from the shades of purple Alt New ink set. Now I'm adding the third and final layer of the flower, and for that I have used deep iris colored ink from the Alt New Purple set. I really love how these flowers are looking with layered stamping. It was really giving that artistic effect, and if you don't love coloring, then you will love layered stamping technique. Now here similarly I've stamped layers of leaves using Volcano Lake ink for second layer and Lagoon ink for final layer from the Alt New Seashore stencil set. Don't worry, I have mentioned the list of supplies in the description below. Here I'm done with the flowers. I just need to add center part of the flower, and for that I have used squeezed laminate distress oxide. Here I'm done with my fun layered flower background using layered stamping technique, and now I'm going to add the sentiment. For that I have used Maker Forte's You Matter to Me stem set, which is designed by Alex Siberia. I really like beautiful quotes on the stem set, but here I'm going to use simple thank you sentiment because I'm going to send this card to my giveaway winner along with the stem set. Ta-da! So here is our one layered card is ready. I made two more cards using the same stem set and same technique. For this card I have used Alt New Red Cosmos ink set for the flowers, and for the leaves I have used Tumbled Glass and Salty Ocean Distressing. And for my final card I used different shades of pink from different brands from my stash, and I did some gold embossing for the center part of the flower and for the sentiment. So with one stem set I made three cards, all with different look but with same technique. technique. And for the giveaway, rules are simple. One, you need to subscribe to my channel, and second, just let me know in the comment section below out of these 3 cards which one you like the most. And this giveaway is open till 15th of September, and I will pick a random winner from the comment section below and will announce it here at my channel shortly after that. I hope you get inspired, and if you like my videos, then please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.